Have you ever wanted to see the floor below or above while staying in your current floor plan? That's exactly what the underlay property is for. So here I'm on level 1 and I have some couple walls, and here on level 2 I don't have anything. So while I am in level 2 I want to see the level 1. So to use that, go to property here, and on underlay property here the base level is set to none, so I'm gonna make it level 1. Here I can see the level below, and I can draw whatever I want from here, while I can also make it align perfectly. So that's a useful tool to use underlay while we are stayed on same level, to see the level below or above.